Hello, hello. Hello, fees. Hello, fellow geezers. Geezer and Molly here. There she is right there, playing the part of dog. I'm trying to get the hang of this camera again. As you may notice, I've changed my look again, going more for the mountain man look. I'm an old guy and I feel I might as well look like one. And it's still a work in progress. I don't know what I'm going to do with it. It's a mess right now, but it's gonna, I'm gonna look pretty much this way this season. But anyway, most of you will remember that we got into a skirmish with a tree a couple summers ago and smashed up Classy's nose, knocked the window out and what have you. And we were trapped inside for couple of days, I think, before they got a crane to pull the tree off of us. And it didn't look like Classy was hurt that bad, but it took me a long time to find a place that could fix it for what I could afford. We went out to Shabbona Creek RV in Atkinson, Illinois. They checked her out real good. It's a nice place. I'm very comfortable waiting area. Of course, I didn't wait there any longer than it took for somebody to come pick me up to take me home while she was being fixed. Very nice folks out there. They took care of Classy real good. So I wanted to make a little video here. A lot of you have been asking, for a video to show the work that they did and what she looks like now. So I'm going to give you a little tour here and let you see what they did. I think they did a real nice job. So here, let's go take a look. You can see here they sealed up all these edges here real good all across the top there. Resealed that whole joint. This used to be kind of mushy right here. It's rock solid now. They put a new seal all across the bottom of here. Of course, you remember what that looked like. Window all caved in and the top caved in, and that's all filled in. It's all solid, new framework. Even new lights up there. And of course this side's the same, all puttied in, all sealed up. My vertigo's kind of acting up today, so when I try to film over my head I get off balance, so I'm sorry about the wavering video. It's about the best I can do today. Let's go in and I'll show you what they did inside. Classy's a pit right now, so I'll apologize in advance, but she's just got a lot of junk laying around right now. But we'll go in and take a look. I've got the curtains open up above, so hopefully you can see a little bit. But they put some Luan paneling in here, sealed those windows up again. That's where the window was. That's all new framing, little paneling, all of it. This is new decking. That's a piece of cardboard. Anyhow, it's all pretty much brand new and it's not leaking. I don't know if I can, let me see if I can kind of get a pan shot here. So anyhow, that's the update on Classic. She's all set to go. I've done all the other inspections, the mechanic inspections and so on, fluid inspections, and as far as I know, she's ready to go. My thanks to Shabbona Creek RV for getting us in and taking care of us for a shoestring price. You know, we didn't get any frills because, well, I can't afford frills, and they worked with me a little bit, and I'm just real happy to have found them. I also want to thank a few really good friends for chipping in and helping me out. As soon as I can get that stimulus check that we've been promised, I think we'll be able to restart the Lakes and Legends tour, you know, where the tree fell on us. Go back to there. I'm not going to stop. I'm just going to go back to that spot and then get the heck out of there. That town doesn't seem to like me. But anyhow, this is a video of update and thanks and appreciation. Appreciate each and every one of you. It's been a while since I did a video. No excuses, no reasons. I just didn't do it. So thank you for hanging around and waiting on me. I think that's all I've got for right now. I'm going to be doing an update video, kind of what's been going on, what is going on, and what will go on. And that, I think that'll be my next one. And I'll shoot that and get it edited and published as soon as I can. But until then, from Molly and me, happy trails.